Hello students. Now we have a topic that is okay uh, force and laws of motion. Okay, force and laws of motion. Today, first basically we know that force. What is force and where we can see this the force in day to day or every day in your life. You may have noticed that when we open the door or close the door, when we pull anything, when we push anything, due to which what you may have noticed there is change. What is the change? It may be change in the direction, it may be change in the state. That means if the object are in the rest, it may be in the motion. If it is in motion, it may be in the rest. It can also change their dimension. It can also change the states. Okay, state means in moving to rest or rest to moving, like that. Is it clear? Okay, so you see that. So whenever we push or pull anything surrounding the object, it may be changed and sometimes it can change. That is called the force. Okay, force, that means mass into acceleration. Force means force equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, acceleration can be right here. Okay, mass into acceleration. Definition we can write: it is the push or pull which either changes or tends to change the state of rest or the uniform motion of a body. Okay, is called force. Force equal to mass into acceleration. You know that mass can be measured in kg, acceleration meter per second square. So kg meter per second square may be the units, or also you can write this is the Newton. Yes, Newton means SI unit of force is Newton, and this is the SI unit. Okay, but CGS unit dyne. CGS unit dyne. CGS. Okay, means force can be measured in dyne also and Newton also, but Newton is the SI. Okay, so this can be defined as the force. And before the knowing laws of the motion, there is the inertia. Inertia, that is the inherent property of the object. It comes suddenly. While there is not apply the external force on any object, it cannot change. Is it clear? It will be in their own states. So inertia means it is the inherent property of the object and that they do not change their state unless acted upon by external force, is known as or is called inertia. Means surroundings, there are so many objects, all we are seeing, the object will change if we apply the force. If we cannot apply, if we do not apply, the object will remain in the same position. Okay, just like when we ride our bicycle, means we have to apply the force. If we apply the force, it moves. If we apply the brakes, it races. It comes in the rest. So it changes rest to motion, motion to rest. Okay, so we can say that this is the inherent property. Suddenly it comes in the situation whenever we see the object surroundings. Means due to change, due to apply the external force on any object, the object comes in the rest or in the motion. So the inherent property we can see. Is it clear? But before this, you know that the Newton's, it states and it gives the three laws. One is first law, second law and third law. First law we also say that is the law of inertia. Is it clear? See, we have written here Newton's first law of motion or law of inertia. That's very important. Okay, we should know this one. Okay, it states that everybody continues in its state of rest of uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled by some external force to change that state. Means if we put the book on the table, the book will always in that positions while will not shift, while will not lift that book, and we cannot shift other place. It shows that the objects are in the natures, in the surroundings, it will be in their own position while we not change their positions by applying the force. Okay, so Newton first law states that whatever we are seeing in the surroundings that will be in their own positions, it will change if you will apply the external force. Okay, student. So thank you. You should write these topics. That's important and related these ones. Okay, there are so many definitions are there. One by one, we will also complete that one. Okay, thank you.